Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track what you've spent using expense reports in QuickBooks Online. This is incredibly useful for keeping tabs on your business spending and understanding exactly where your money is going across different accounts and vendors. First, navigate to the left-hand menu in your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on Reports. This will take you to the main reporting center where you can access all of QuickBooks' built-in financial reports. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Type in transaction detail by account and select it from the results. This particular report is perfect for our needs because it includes detailed transaction information, including all your expense entries. Before we customize anything, click Switch to Classic View at the top of the report. The Classic View gives you better filtering options and makes it easier to customize exactly what information you want to see in your expense report. Now look for the Customize button at the top right of the report and click it. This opens up all the customization options that will help us transform this general transaction report into a focused expense tracker. Within the customization panel, scroll down to the filter section. Here you'll want to select transaction type from the available filters, then choose expense only. This step is crucial because it removes all other transaction types like invoices, payments, and bills, leaving you with just the expense transactions you're looking to track. Next, head over to the rows/columns section. This is where you control what information appears in your report columns. Select the fields you want to display, such as account, date, vendor, and amount. These give you a clear picture of when expenses occurred, who they were paid to, and how much was spent. If you're tracking expenses by customer or project, you can also add the customer field to see which expenses are tied to specific clients. If you want to narrow your report further, go back to the filter section and add additional criteria. For example, you can set a specific date range to view expenses for just this month, last quarter, or any custom period you need. This is especially helpful when preparing monthly reports or analyzing spending trends over time. Once you've set all your filters and columns, click Run Report to generate your customized expense report. The report will now display all expenses that match your selected criteria, organized in an easy-to-read format. Take some time to review the information and verify everything looks correct. If you need to share this report or analyze it outside of QuickBooks, simply click Export at the top of the screen to save it as either a PDF or Excel file. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.